Hello, today I want to explain to you where we are, what we are restoring and why. We are in a Gaudi masterpiece, a World Heritage building with outstanding universal value, and we are committed to preserving it for future generations. Every restoration we carry out follows the guidelines of international bodies such as UNESCO and ICOMOS, a path that recovers the house's authenticity and brings us closer to its origin. We are restoring the rear facade and its courtyard, a private space belonging to the home of Josep Batlló and Amalia Godó, where the couple used to rest in the afternoon while their sons and daughters played, chaperoned by the staff. In this courtyard, there was a fountain, a pergola, planters, all are inspired by nature, like the rest of Casa Batlló, a space that Gaudí conceived as an oasis in the city and whose view was also enjoyed by the neighborhood. It is an oasis made of ceramics, glass, wood and iron, and the genius of a visionary, avant-garde and exceptional artist. In this place is where the journey of the restoration begins.